I'm at the National Nordic Museum in Seattle's Ballard community checking out Frankie Feetsplinters, the last of our 6 trolls created by Thomas Dambo for his Northwest Trolls project. Frankie's urban setting fits perfectly with his Nordic roots as he guards the Nordic Museum. Frankie is an example of how art and community can come together. Made from recycled materials, this troll is a symbol of the collaboration between Thomas Dambo, local volunteers, and cultural organizations. While you're here to check out Frankie, make sure to check out the museum itself. The National Nordic Museum is dedicated to showcasing Nordic history, art, and culture, and it's a fantastic place to explore. The museum offers a deep dive into Nordic heritage with exhibits ranging from ancient Viking artifacts to contemporary Nordic design. As we say goodbye to Frankie, remember that all 6 of Thomas Dambo's trolls are here to inspire and remind us of our connections to culture and nature. So if you're in the Seattle area, be sure to visit them all before they're all gone. Thanks for joining me on this final stop of our Great Pacific Northwest Troll Hunt. I know there's one more in the Pacific Northwest installation, but I'll get to it eventually. It's down in Portland. So please, in the meantime, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it when I finally get around to it. Stay tuned.